Hey people, this is Susana Kumia and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I'm going to show you the making of my second activity in my computer-aided design subject. So our task for today is to draw this set of figures in AUTOCAD. So we're going to be working with these 6 figures. So without further ado, let's get started. So to draw our first figure, first let's draw a circle. So let's type C, enter, and we'll set that measurement to 10. Okay. Then we're going to draw a line from the middle down here with a distance of 30. Tab 90 degrees. Okay. Then we're going to draw a line there with a distance of 20. Tab 0 degrees. Then we're going to connect that line in this quadrant. This quadrant. Okay. Then we're going to move it down here to the midpoint. Okay. Escape. So for the next line, we're going to draw a line here from the midpoint. Okay. With a distance of 20. Then we're going to connect it at that end point to the center of our circle. Escape. Then for our last line, we're going to start from this point up to this point. Wait. Sorry. Let me redo that. Okay, then escape. So for the excess line, we're going to use the trim. So we're just going to type TR or trim, enter, or you can just simply click this icon here at the tab. Going to erase that, and there you have it. So we're done with our first figure. Let's move it up there. So to move it, we're just going to type M, or just simply click this icon in our tab. So we're going to specify our midpoint. I'm going to move it up here. Okay. So for our next figure, we have this hexagon with 3 circles inside. So to draw that, we're going to use the command polygon, or type POL or polygon, then enter, or you can just simply click this icon here at the tab. So since we have hexagon with 6 sides, so we're going to enter 6 sides here. Enter. Then inscribe in circle. We're going to set that radius in 20. So we're going to rotate this one by typing RO, or rotate, enter, or just simply click this icon here at the tab. So select object, enter, then specify the base point. Okay, let's just move it downwards. So to draw the circles inside, we're gonna be using guidelines. So we're going to insert line from here to this end point, escape, then going to use line here to this midpoint, and then escape. Then we're going to draw our first circle by utilizing this center as our center point. So I'm setting that radius to 8.665. So as you can see, the circle touches the borderlines of the hexagon, which is our aim. So to draw the other two circles at this point, we're going to extend this line to this point. We're going to escape. Then we're going to draw a line from here to the midpoint, then another line from the midpoint to here. Okay, escape. Then we're going to copy this circle by clicking CO or copy, enter, or just simply click this icon at our tab. So we're gonna select that midpoint and connect it to this midpoint and connect it to this midpoint, then escape. So we're going to erase the excess line by highlighting it and then click E or erase, or you can just use the trim command, but I prefer to use the erase for this one because it's more easier for me. Let's move it down here for better visualization. Okay, so let's move to our third figure, and that is this flower-like inside a circle, so whatever you call that. So to do that, we're going to draw a line here with the distance of 20, so tab 0. Okay, escape. Then we're going to draw another line perpendicular to that line, so with a distance of 10. So since it is perpendicular, we're going to use 90. Okay, so next one, we're going to draw a line from this endpoint to that endpoint. Okay, then for our next line, we'll be using this endpoint to that point, click tab and set that angle to 22.5. So why 22.5? So this figure, we have 18 of this to the figure that we're imitating or that we're going to draw. So, and a circle has a 360-degree angle. So 360 all over 18 is equal to 22.5. Then for our excess lines, we're going to use the command trim, just TR, enter, then oops, just going to erase that, E. Okay, so our next step is to mirror this image. So we're going to highlight that, then you can click this icon, mirror, or simply type I or mirror, enter. So specify the point, then to this endpoint. There you have it. Erase source objects, no. So to draw the other parts of the image, we're going to mirror this image once more by using polar array. So you can use polar array by clicking this one and clicking that polar array, or simply type AR, then choose array polar. So and specify the midpoint. There you have it. So we have 8 of this in our figure. So we're going to edit the items and set that to 8. Then enter. There you have it. So for our last step, for this image to be done, we're going to draw the lines outside. So from here to here to here, there, 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 and escape. And there you have it. We're done with our third figure. We're just going to move it here for better visualization. So this one, the midpoint. Oh, let me do that. Let me do that once more. Another one. There you have it. So we're going to move with our fourth figure, which is this one, a circle with 4 circles on its side. So to draw that, we're going to start with a circle. We're going to set that radius to 20. There. Then we're going to have, or we're going to use an offset. To use an offset, we're just going to type O, offset, enter, enter. Let's set that distance to 1.5. Enter. Escape. Let me move it down there. Let me just move it. Okay. So for the other 4 circles, we're going to draw smaller ones. So, and let's set that radius to 8. Okay. Then we're going to use offset again. Type O, or you can just click this icon here at the tab, offset. So, then true. Let's set the to 1.5 distance. There you have it. So for us to connect or bring this circle to this bigger circle, we're going to use guidelines again. So let me just draw lines from here to this endpoint. Okay, and let's redo that here. Okay, escape. Another line from the midpoint, and then let's set this distance to 20, tab, 45 degrees. since we have 4 circles to connect with this bigger circle, we're going to draw another 3 lines here, here, and here, with their corresponding angles, of course. So let's set that, okay, to 20, 135 degrees. Okay, escape, another line from here down here, so 20, then tab 135 degrees. Okay, and for our last line, from here there. Okay, so we're done. So since we have 4 circles, we're going to copy this circle and make another 3 circles. So copy, let's type CO. So 1, 2, 3, escape. Then we have 4 circles. So for us to connect here, we're going to add guidelines with their corresponding angles. So for this one, we're going to click here, then set that distance to 8, tab, then 45 degrees, and escape. So another one, we're going to let distance of 8, tab, 135 degrees. There you go. Another one, we have line here, then here, that's set that at 8 and 45 degrees. Okay, then for the last circle, we're going to here. Here. So 8, tab, 135 degrees. There you have it. Then let's move this circle to their corresponding places in the big circle. So for us to do that, we're going to move this . So find that intersection. Okay, there you have it. And you will do the same with the other 3 circles. So move and find that intersection. Okay, move. Okay, and for the last one, going to move that from here to here. There you have it. And then we're going to erase our excess line by using, or you can use trim, but I prefer to use the erase command. So simply clicking those lines, that line, and erase. There you have it. Then we're not done yet, because as you can see, we have to remove some other parts of that circle. Okay, so we're going to use trim this time. So type TR, then enter. Then we want to remove this one and this one. Then this one and this one, then this one and this one, and lastly this one and this one, and we're done. We're done with our fourth figure. There you have it. Escape. We're going to move it a little bit downward. Okay. Now, for our fifth figure, we have this square. So to do that, we're going to draw a square by using this rectangle by clicking that to the tab. So the point, we're going to set that at 40, 40. Then we're going to move this one here. Okay. Then we're going to draw lines from this point up to this point. Escape. Then we're going to use offset to the lines. So type O, set O. Then we're going to set that at 4. Then 4 again. Then 4 again. Another 4. 4. Another 4. Next, we're going to do the same upward. 4. Another 4. 4. Another 4. Another 4. Then last 4. There you have it. And to remove our excess lines, we're going to use the command trim. So type TR, then enter. So then here, that's here. Erase. Then we have another one there. Type there again. There. Escape. We're going to copy. The next step is to copy this square. So let's copy to the midpoint, to this point. Escape. Then we're going to remove the border line by typing E or erase. Okay. Then we want to highlight that and rotate it. So by using our command RO, then find the midpoint there. Then let's highlight it once more and move it onto the circle, onto the square. There. And for our last step, we're going to remove our excess line. So we're going to use again the command trim, TR, objects, okay. Just follow the pattern. There. Then for the last one, here, 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 there. And we're done to our fifth figure. So let's escape that. Let's move on to our next. Oh, let me move this one first. Somewhere here. Okay. And for our last figure, we have this one. So to do that, we're going to start with a circle. Okay. And set that radius to 10. Okay. We're going to use again the offset. So type O. Enter, through, yes. Set that as 2. Another one. 2. Another one. 2. And last one. 2. Then escape. Then we're going to insert again a line that will serve as our guide down here. Then escape. Then we're going to trim this part of the circle. DR. And there you have it. Another one. Let's trim that one. That one as well. One. This one. This one. This one. Let me just erase that. We're done. So our next step is to insert a line again. So from here, we're going to set that distance to 10 with okay. So let's use offset to this line again. So type O. Through this one, let's set that to 4. Another one here. Tap. Let me do that. Offset. Oh. Again. Highlight the line. Oh. Oh. Once more. It up. Another offset there. Okay. then our last offset will be there. So escape. So as you can see, we're done with the 1/4 of our image. Yes. And for the other 3/4, for us to draw that, we're going to highlight this one. And we will use again the polar array. So to do that, we have to type AR, then use the array polar, then set this endpoint as the center, then so it displayed 6 copy of that image and we only need 4, so let's edit the items to 4. And there you have it. We're done with our last image. So let's just move it down there. Okay. Once more. Move that one more. And I think we're pretty done here. So here is our 6th image. Okay, here is our 6th image. So for better visualization of your drawing, you can click this layout here and there. So there you go, guys. We're done with my activity 2 in my computer-aided design subject. So I hope you learned something from me. And that's all. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that notification bell for you to be updated to my next videos. So thank you and God bless you all.